Hey, fellow creators! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of making money on YouTube. With 5 years of navigating this platform, I've learned the ropes, and now, it's your turn. Let's embark on this journey together. First things first, content is king. Your channel needs a clear focus. Whether it's cooking, tech reviews, or storytelling, passion and consistency are your best friends. Remember, engaging content attracts viewers, and viewers are the key to unlocking earnings. Now, onto the nitty-gritty, setting up monetization. You'll need to join the YouTube Partner Program, but there's a catch. You must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. So keep creating and promoting your content. With monetization enabled, explore multiple revenue streams. Ads are just the beginning. Consider channel memberships, merchandise shelves, and don't overlook the power of sponsored content. Diversifying your income ensures you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Lastly, engage with your community. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and listen to your audience. A loyal fanbase not only boosts your views, but also attracts potential sponsors. Your viewers are your biggest asset on this journey to making money on YouTube. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and creativity, you'll get there. Let's make it happen.